If you are curious about what keywords are, then this video is perfect for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to MAK Blogs SEO content writing course. I am your instructor from MAK Blogs, and in this lecture we will explore what keywords are and provide straightforward examples to illustrate their usage. Before we proceed further, I want to inform you that you can access the full MAK Blogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. Keywords are specific words or phrases that people use when searching for information on search engines like Google. They play a vital role in connecting your content with what your audience is searching for online. Example 1. Let's say you are going to France and you want to know about the cool places to visit in Paris. The word you use in your search, like Paris attractions, are your keywords. These keywords help the search engine find and show you the most relevant information about Paris attractions. So, keywords are like the magic words you see to get the information you are looking for online. Example 2. Let's say you have a passion of gardening and you have decided to start a vegetable garden in your backyard. Specifically, you are interested in learning how to grow tomatoes. To find the information you need, you might go to a search engine and type in a query like how to grow tomatoes in a backyard garden. In this case, the words you used in your search, such as how to grow tomatoes in a backyard garden, form your keywords. These keywords act as your virtual compass, guiding the search engine to fetch and display the most relevant information about tomato cultivation in a backyard garden. So think of keywords as the special words you type into search bar to get a wealth of knowledge on a particular topic, like growing tomatoes in your garden. In conclusion, keywords are the specific words or phrases that bridge the gap between your content and what users are searching for on search engine. In our upcoming lessons, we will explore advanced SEO techniques and strategies related to keywords. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussion by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining Lecture 9, where we discussed what are keywords. If you are seeking exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing, and more, visit our website or contact us. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to become a skilled SEO content writer continues.